Here's how to build your own RSI bot in just 25 lines of code using the Blankly package. To get started, install Blankly and run Blankly init to create your project environment. The CLI creates a suite of files which allows you to get up and running to Blankly really quickly. In keys.json, we'll plug in our keys for Alpaca, the exchange that we're using, and settings.json holds Blankly optimized default configurations. Create a Python file for your RSI bot, and we're ready to code. We start by easily importing Alpaca, strategy, strategy state, and an RSI indicator from Blankly, in just 2 lines. Next, we initialize our exchange and create a strategy object which will handle our logic, and pass it in our exchange. We add a price event to our strategy, which takes in a callback, a symbol, a resolution, and our init function. Our init function is the first thing that runs when our price event starts. It initializes our symbol and state. Within this function, we'll store any data we need related to our symbol and set our initial own position variable to false. Our price event function takes in a price, a symbol, and a state and runs anytime a new bar comes in. Within this function, we first want to update our state and pass this data into the RSI function. Now we make our decision of when to buy and sell, and here we'll use an RSI of 30 and 70. If the RSI is less than 30 and we don't yet own a position, then we want to buy. We create a market order to buy and set our own position to be true. If the RSI is greater than 70 and we own a position, then we want to sell. We create a market order to sell and set our own position to false. Now all there's left to do is backtest, which we do in just 1 line with Blankly by calling the backtest function on our strategy with parameters of how long we want the backtest to be and how much money we want to start out with. Store this backtest in a variable and print it to see the output of your RSI bot. Now, when we run our bot, we see all the useful metrics we need from Blankly. It's that easy. Find the full tutorial on Blankly's YouTube channel.